Taco Bell. Taco Bell. Taco Bell. Taco Bell.
One more time.
What's the topic?
My penis.
In your beep cheeks. Well, your beep cheeks. It's on her butt. Pussy on the butthole. Report Heather fell on the ground.
Remember when we prank called people? Remember when we prank called somebody and like we were leaving a message of like a conversation and well
That was really funny.
and then you were like, oh no, I read it to the wall. Hey, say the Olga thing.
Olga hungry. Olga wants chocolate.
Look at me still in the butt. I love I love her butt. I'm feeling it with my paws. I just want to eat it. Look, now 2 hands. I'm an animal. I love butt. Oh, Destiny, your butt makes me so horny.
Yo.
That's gonna be on YouTube.
Oh, you bit my nose. You was racist.